You guys, today is a very exciting day, so I thought I would vlog it for you guys. I'm finally making a trip to Ikea, and we are also not very sure if it's going to be open because we had planned this for a really long time, and then we found out that there's going to be a lockdown, but the lockdown starts from today at 8 p.m. So I'm hoping that once I reach there, the store is open. So I'm just getting there, should be there in like another 30 minutes. I have Siddhi here with me.
I'm just showing our face so that its V is more normal.
Yeah, I would think it's V a lot,
like
yeah.
Sounding delusional.
Yeah, no, I'm not by myself. Siddhi is the one who's actually helping me design the entire space. It's all her, it's like my house is literally her brainchild. So
except for very specific instructions.
Yeah, I mean, I did have to get it done my way, and the only instruction I gave Siddhi is that I want everything white, and she hated that. But yeah, we're rolling with it nonetheless. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm there. Cute sofas, and I really like this one. Maybe for my second room, I think this would be really cute. I want to get this as like a shoe storage, or maybe something like this. This has like these cabinets, but I don't like the color. I hope I get it in white. Also looking for a cabinet like this, exactly like this, but maybe in a darker color for my dining room. I really like this showcase as well. Honestly, I'm not liking the displays as much. We got our first meal. I'm trying the meatballs because I've heard so much, and I went for some cappuccino with an extra shot, obviously. And Siddhi's trying the croissant. I don't know if I said that correctly.
Nothing to try.
I know, for veg, there isn't a lot of option.
Like your studio balcony, maybe.
Let's do that, and it would be nice to like work with. This I'm taking for sure. I love the idea of this. So basically it's like a hanging table. It's getting really full. We're right now at the crockery section, picking up like a few glassware. You know, you're an adult when you get excited about cutlery. How cute is this matte black set? It's so huge. We picked up a couple of these like containers to organize. I also picked up this set of glass. We also picked up this mug that I'm very excited about. So cute. It's like the perfect mug. I love that it comes with a saucer too. I also got this mixer. I think this is my favorite section. So excited to get lights. Checking out these lights. Might get this for the bathroom, or maybe this one. Do you think we can put this on top of the bathroom mirror too?
We can actually.
It'll brighten up also.
Yeah,
because I will do my makeup and
we can use the
skincare.
same one because it's silver.
Yeah.
So we'll go in your bath.
What are we looking for?
That one light that we need for your bag that I am very specific about.
I think this is it. There's just one?
There's just one.
We need two. Can we buy the display piece too? Maybe they'll have one more. Let's ask someone. This is the rug section. These look so cozy. So excited to go there. We're in the bathroom section now. I'm picking up these floor mats. I really like these. They're like black and fluffy, and they don't like slip on the floor, which is so important for me. Like, they don't slip at all. So I'm getting this one. I'm also getting this toilet brush and that toilet paper hanger. I really like this one. Those of you who want mirrors, I think there are so many options here as well. Oh, we also picked up these matte black soap dispensers. I love these. We're finally separating our stuff. We had 3 trolleys to begin with, and we've finally segregated our stuff. This is all of Siddhi's, and she's kind of, those things are her decision pile. I have made all my decision. I'm taking everything I picked up. In the bottom you will see a lot of these organizational things for my kitchen. There are a few bulbs. I did not pick up any furniture. I think I'm gonna order them online. And we're done. Just heading out. Finally done. And Siddhi just bumped into me. How do you feel about everything you bought?
I feel pretty satisfied.
Yeah, it's good, right? Yeah, it is quite reasonable.
Can't wait to hit the roads.
Yeah.
Traffic.
This is how stuffed my car is. The backside is completely covered with all our stuff. But we're finally done. So I think that's it for my IKEA vlog. If you guys aren't subscribed already, then please do so, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.